beginner cardio workout. I love it. We've got Lisa and Saleh here to go through the workout with us. We're gonna start with a little jog warm-up. I've got my cardio cupcake girls here today, so they're excited to work it out with you guys. And if you're new to cardio, don't worry. This workout's just gonna get you in the flow, get that heart rate up, feeling good, okay? Awesome. So jogging in place, all right? Picking up the feet, right? And arms are engaged. You're not just here. No, these girls are in form, right? Okay, good. Keep it going, a couple more seconds to warm it up. Your ankles, your joints, everything's getting loosened up in the hips. This is why the nice little jog warm-up is so good. All right, now we're gonna go into a high knee and progress into a skip. So if you're new to this kind of jumping move, like a skip in place, start with the march. All right, Lisa's gonna show all the modifications. Me and Saleh, we're gonna start going into a skip. So pop off the balls of the foot. My heart rate is already going up, right? Good. Back and forth. Pop it off, you got it. You could also just march. It's up to you. Everybody's got their own skip routine. Make sure you're like in the park, right? I could go back here with Saleh and we can skip around. Good job, you guys, nice work. All right, now we're gonna go into a wide stance, squat, and knee raise. So go into a wide stance, bring those hands behind the head. Go down into a nice deep squat. If you're modifying, watch Lisa. You're gonna come up, bring that knee to elbow, and right back down into the squat. Back up. We're getting low, working the legs. When you work the legs, you work the cardio. Wanna know why? They're big muscle groups, baby. And they are gonna be working. So you're down and up. You're getting the core engaged. Remember, breathing. As I exhale, I'm bringing that knee up to my elbow. If you can't get the knee to the elbow, it's okay, right?
Yes.
Back and forth. You guys look great. Couple more seconds, breathe it out. 2 more. 2. Good. 1. All right, now we're gonna go into a crab walk. I love this one. So start at the edge of your mat here. You're gonna go down, low squat. I'm going as low as I can. Chest is high. We're gonna take small steps so we're not bouncing, we're not coming up, we're staying super low. It's the crab walk, you're creepy. We call it creepy walk too if we want to. Make sure your heels are on the ground for this, right? So my quads are burning up right now. You guys feeling it?
Yes, they're dying.
Dying. Back and forth. My heart rate's up, I can feel the breath. I love it, get that sweat going. Let's go back and forth one more time. Once your legs start to feel like jello, that's when you know it's almost over. Coming back, guys are doing good. Breathe and extend. Okay, jog in place, let's go. Jog those legs out a little bit. Now remember, if you're new, you could always be walking in place, right? Lisa, if you wanna show that, you can. Or you're jogging in place, picking the feet up. It's all up to you, whatever your style is. You're just doing a little cool down here. You ready for round 2?
Yes.
Yes. You guys doing okay? All right, let's go into that high knee again. So you're either doing the skip or the march, right? Beautiful. And I love how Lisa, even though she's doing the march, she's kind of giving it a little bit of attitude, right? Just because you're not getting off the ball that foot doesn't mean you don't give it attitude. Good, back and forth. Abs are tight. When you're picking up that knee, your core is engaged. You're working a lot of muscles of the body. You're doing good. And breathe. I don't forget to breathe because I'm talking, right? So don't forget to breathe yourself. And 3, 2, 1, and go wide stance. So legs out wide, going into that squat, and then we're going up for that nice knee raise. Up and down. Good. You don't have to go as low here. Remember, Lisa's showing you the modified, so if you're going just a little bit, you're still working those legs. Get the leg up, boom, work the obliques. Boom, in the hips. Feel it, Saleh?
Yeah.
Saleh, that's French for Sally, huh?
Yes.
So pretty.
Thank you.
Back and forth. Boom. Good. You guys doing it? Yeah, Lisa.
We're making it.
Keeping the chest high. 3, 2, boom, 1, and let's go. Crab walks. I know the legs are feeling it already. Let's go low. Keep the chest up high. Heels are on the ground, right? We're not on the toes. We're on the heels. However far you have in your living room, you might only go a couple feet. That's okay. Go a couple feet, move back and forth. Try not to come up from that squat until we're done. Breathe it out.
This is hard.
I know.
I like Lauren.
My legs are feeling like Jell-O. I'm loving it. That's when you know it's working. Yeah. The reason I have my hands in front of my chest, it forces me to keep my chest up. Otherwise, who knows where I'll be. But when it's here, I got a good focus on my posture, right? 3, 2, and oh my goodness.
We're here.
Okay, jog it out a little bit. Now, I'm gonna go into a little combo move next. So, don't get scared. We'll start off very simple. Jog the legs out a little bit. I'm giving you some time to recover, and me. All right, so we're gonna go into a little jumping jack. This is the modified version, right? We're gonna do 4, then we're gonna go into 2 squats, 1 and 2. So it starts with 4 jacks, 2, 3, 4, squat, 1 and 2, okay? If you're doing regular jacks, 2, 3, 4, squat, jump, squat, jump, back down, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, squat, jump, squat, jump. Good. You guys doing it with me?
Oh yeah.
Feeling it right? I know at home, sometimes, honestly, I lose track myself. Don't worry. Try to get 4 jacks, 2 squat jumps. If you lose me, it's probably because I'm not counting either. I'm talking. 2, 3, 4. There we go. I got Soleil helping me. 1, 2. Again. Up. 2.
I think you're helping me.
3, 4. Squat it down. Up, down, and relax. You guys are awesome. Now we're keeping it flowing here. We're gonna do a nice little high knee with a kick. So we're gonna do 4 high knees, and then we're gonna do 4 kicks. Boom. Now when I do a kick, guys, I'm not into martial arts here, okay? I have tight hamstrings, you know it's true. But what I wanna do is kick that heel out for 4. Then I'm marching, 2, 3, 4, kick. And you know my dancing skills are lacking too, right? So here, just really get the knee up, engage the core, pump the arms. Come on, you're working those legs. I know the cardio is up when you're working the legs. Whew.
I really feel
Kick,
that core. Feel that
kick,
core.
kick, kick, good. March it, 2, 3, 4, kick. 2, 3, 4. Whew. Shake it out, shake it out, shake it out, you guys. Okay, now we're gonna bring it down to the floor. And I love this next couple moves because we're gonna work the upper body a little bit, but that's still very engaging for the cardio. So we're gonna do a modified push-up, all right? So going from the knees, drop it to the chest to the floor, come up into a plank. Modified version, hold the plank. Me and Soleil, we're gonna do a tap, side to side. Then back down to the knees, push up, come back up into that plank. If you're modifying, I want you to try to hold that plank. Don't just stay on your knees, okay?
I feel
Down,
this
right?
in the core.
Woo.
Yes.
That's right, sister. Good, we're combining a lot of different muscle groups that are working right now. Keep going, side to side.
Making me sweat.
That's right. Love it. These are my southern girls. I love it. Your accent gets me fired up. Good, down and up. Good, plank, side tap. You're doing amazing. Back down to the knees, chest. Come up, come on, arms. Side tap. Beautiful. Boom, and relax. Come on up to your feet. So we're back up. Now here, we're gonna do a little skater plyo, but modified version. So we're gonna take a big step back. Remember, your knee stays right in line with that toe. You're dropping your back knee a little bit here. I want you to pinch your shoulder blades together. Come back together. Step, drop that knee, pinch. Come up together. You guys look great. So drop it down. You're working the outside of the glutes, working the legs, working that upper back.
Ready.
Back for me too. That's when we know. If we're sweating, you've got to be sweating too. Back and forth. Especially when you're new to cardio, just keeping the body moving is good. If you're modifying, remember, Lisa, you shouldn't be going too low, showing just a big step. So modify, just step. Now let's speed it up a little bit. So we're going back and forth. Let's go, like we're dancing. Boom. Good, squeeze. Keep your chest high. Working the legs, working the shoulders. You feel that, right? To the back.
Oh, yeah.
The shoulders.
Okay, good leg work.
That's right. Back and forth. Oh, I almost fell. 3, good, 2. Last one, boom. Nice job, okay, round 2. So we got start, remember, 1, 2, you got your 4.
Got it.
Got your jacks, then you got your squats. 2, yes, let's go.
Let's go.
1, good, 3, 4, down, up, good, 1, 2, 3, 4, down, up. You notice how I do the squat slow? You don't rush there. You better enjoy that squat. Good, down, good, whew. And I'm landing soft, so don't ever land with straight legs. Even if you're going up into that squat jump, sorry, Sally,
Okay.
totally lost track. Good, 2, good, down, slow, yes, and land soft. One more round, come on, 2, 3, 4, boom, up, oh, baby. All right, now let's go, march, come on, knees are high, kick, 4, 3, 2, 1, good, march, 1.
I love this for the core.
Me too, I feel it. Kick, boom, good. Come on, remember, whenever you're breathing heavy, that's when you know you're getting stronger. Your heart is the most important muscle in your body. And if that is strong, so are you. All right, doesn't matter what size you are. I don't have a clue what number, what foot we're on. 3, 4, kick.
You're
2,
good.
3, 4, come on. Last round, 2, 3, 4, come on. Kick, oh, my legs are tired. Okay, good. All right, so bring it back down, guys. You're doing great. Modified push-up. Why do we go modified, guys? Because we're winded, right? But we still want to keep moving, going down. We want that full range of motion. All right, so a lot of people do a short push-up because they're not strong enough to go to the floor. So that's why we're going modified. If you have the strength to touch the floor and come up, then go ahead and do that, okay? Otherwise, you know, we're sucking wind, we're gassed, and we feel like that modified push-up is just right now. Just for what we need with this beginner cardio workout. Good range of motion. Abs are working. Good job, Lisa. Come on, girl. Good, up. Holding that plank. 2 more. Good. Push. Going up. Last one. Push up. Oh, yeah. And relax. Oh, baby. All right. Come on. Let's go. Skater plyo with that nice reverse fly. You know what happens? You pinch those shoulder blades. Show them your muscles, ladies. Get the back work in. Let's go. Ready? Step it, squeeze. Step it and squeeze. You got to have that good posture. So what that requires is pulling moves. Pull, squeeze, work that backside. When you do push-ups, you push, right? Now it's pull. Good. Yes. Guys are looking good. Back and forth. Good, and our tempo is higher this time than we started last time, right? Back and forth. Oh my goodness.
We want to get it over with,
I
right?
love it. You're there almost. Good. 3. Going 2. Good. Last one. And cool it down. Jog it out. Jog it out or walk it out. Whenever I'm cooling down, I take a nice deep breath in through the nose, out through the mouth. A couple of those. You're jogging it out. Okay, now your legs are wide. All right, right here, you're gonna do a nice overhead tricep extension with a nice little side bend because your arms were working, your back was working, your chest. Your triceps help with those push-ups. Bring it down. Other side, reach it up nice and tall. Reach towards your back, grab the elbow, pull it back. You're doing a little side bend here, right? Getting a nice little lateral stretch through the back and obliques. You ladies feeling okay?
Oh, yeah.
Was that fun or what?
Oh, yeah. This feels good.
All right, and then we're gonna do a nice little quadricep stretch. We did a lot of work on the quads. So we're gonna stand on one leg. If you have a partner or a wall, hold on to that so you can balance and really hold this one. Point that knee down towards the floor. Try to bring your heel all the way up to your booty and really keep the knees in line. You don't want your knee wobbling out like that. You're not gonna have good form for the stretch because you want it straight down. Really lengthen, squeeze your glute on that same side. You're gonna feel an assist pull and then switch, all right? You guys worked a lot of the quads today. So really embrace this stretch, don't skip it. This is gonna help you recover for the next time you press play, right? Or maybe you're gonna do it again, who knows? All right, you guys, great job.